Hey guys, so we're just going to look at this third question. Okay, so this is a third example question that you can have a go at. You can pause the video when you need and then have a go. So 4 steps. Okay, first step, let's go through it, is label. So we're going to call that A. There's actually a 1 there. Why? Because x squared is equal to 1x squared. It's like saying 1a is equal to a. This one's going to be b, and this is c. We're going to write down, so we're going to tick that. We're going to write down what we know. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 10, c is equal to 25. Second step done. Let's go through the third step, which is formula. Let's write down our formula. So our formula is x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac brackets over 2a. Now I've done that step. The next step is substitute. So I'm just going to do that fourth step, which is substitute, which means substituting the numbers that we know into our formula. The numbers that represent these letters goes into this formula. Let's have a go at that. So negative b, what's our b? 10. Hence negative 10 plus or minus square root, where did I get that? From the formula. B squared, which is 10 squared, minus, open brackets, 4. What's 4 doing to the a? It's multiplying it. What's our a? A 1. What's our c? 25. So working with big numbers here. And then closing that brackets over 2a. What's our a? 1. Cool. Next step, negative 10. And now this step here is all about simplifying. So now we're going to go through that. 10 squared, which is 100, minus 4 times 25. What's 4 times 1? 4. 4 times 25 is 100 over 2. Okay, let's go through the next part. I'm just going to bring that to this side. That's negative 10 plus or minus square root. What's 100 take away 100? 0 over 2. Everyone might get confused here. Square root of 0 is just literally a 0. That's going to be negative 10 over 2. That's going to be negative 5. So what does that mean? It means in this scenario, you only have one solution for x. X is just equal to negative 5. Now, if you're really curious as to what that actually looks like, that means that it's so we have our graph here. Okay, so what does that mean? It means that we have two numbers. So we've got x as negative 5. Okay, that's only one solution. And basically that passes through, what that means is it's the x-intercept. So it's going through the x value at x is equal to negative 5. So where's negative 5? Again, not to scale. That's it. Do you notice how in this graph, that x, there's only one x value. It doesn't go through it like in the previous examples, which were like this. We had 2 solutions. So I'm just write here 2 solutions. In this scenario, we only have one solution, which means one x-intercept, which is at negative 5. That you should know is your y-intercept. That's 25. So that's how you do that question. Okay, very different because you're only left with one x value. Secondly, very interesting here, we have square root of 0. Okay, square root of 0 is just 0. And then people will get confused because what's negative 10 plus 0 is negative 10. What's negative 10 minus 0 is just negative 10. And then you get here is your solution here is x is equal to negative 5. But that's how you do that particular question. Okay, so if you want more stuff like this, or if you have any questions, subscribe, follow, give it a like. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.